Hello, I am Sarbashis Kumar Pal. Today I teach you if a straight line is parallel, if two straight lines are parallel, that AB and EF is parallel. Okay? If one of them is perpendicular, if AB is perpendicular to a plane, this plane, XY plane, then other is also perpendicular to the plane. EF is also perpendicular. Again, if two straight lines are parallel AB and EF, if AB is perpendicular to XY, then you have to prove EF is perpendicular to the plane XY. Very interesting. Before teaching, I am interested to say if you like my video and my teaching, please subscribe my channel. Let AB and EF be two parallel straight lines cutting the XY plane at B and E. To prove EF is perpendicular to XY, join AE and BE and draw a perpendicular CD to BE and join AC, AD, BC, BD. Okay? Then at first BEC and BED you get CE is equal to ED. Okay, CE is equal to ED, as because we draw CED such that CED is perpendicular to B and CE is equal to ED. Then we join AC, AD, BC and BD. So from BCE and BED we get CE is equal to ED and B is common, okay, and B is common and BEC and BED is perpendicular, so these two triangles are congruent, so BC is equal to BD, okay, BC is equal to BD as because these two triangle is congruent. Now ABC and ABD, what we get? BC is equal to BD, okay, AB is common, okay, AB is common, and since BCE and BED are congruent, so BD is equal to C. So ABC and ABD we get BC is equal to BD and AB is common, AB is common, and ABC is perpendicular and ABD also perpendicular. So these two triangles are congruent, ABC and ABD. So AC is equal to AD. Now ACE and AED, from AC is equal to AD, okay, AE common and C is equal to ED. So this triangle is also congruent. Hence AEC and AED is perpendicular. Okay, and C is also perpendicular to B. So C is perpendicular to AB, B and AC. So C is perpendicular to ABE plane. So C is also perpendicular to EF, as because EF and AB are parallel. So EF is that plane which is ABE, and that's why C is perpendicular to EF. So C is perpendicular to EF. So EF is perpendicular to B and EF is perpendicular to C. So EF is perpendicular to BC containing plane, that means XY plane. Okay. So you have proved. Now conversely, if AB and EF is perpendicular, AB and EF is perpendicular, then you have to prove that AB and EF is parallel. So in previous way You prove C is perpendicular to AE and C is perpendicular to B. In this way, you also prove that C is perpendicular to AE and C is perpendicular to B. So C is perpendicular to C is perpendicular to AB plane, okay, and since C is also perpendicular to EF, since AB is 90 degree, and that's why FEB also 90 degree. So if AB and B is FE is perpendicular, then these are also parallel, as because we know the two straight line are parallel when they are sum of two angles will be 180. If this is 90 and this is also 90, and that's why these are parallel and these are in same plane. Okay, thank you so much.